And the gift that each of you noble teachers should have here is self-love. Have the efforts to transform the health of our schools left you puzzled? Hi, I'm Felicia Holtz, bringing to you the Noble Teacher Workshop and Training, whose mission it is to uplift, support, and reveal the gifts of our most precious and also most undervalued human resources in America, our school teachers and educational leadership. Like myself, I know that you've entered the field of teaching with passion and the intention to make a difference in the lives of others.
Because I know that I am a noble teacher.
Teaching is a calling, really a heroic quest. Along the way, there are trials and initiations that at first can seem insurmountable. You may have found that stressful job demands prevent sustaining joy of purpose. With increasing responsibility, time and energy demands, your nervous system can't possibly keep up. Your lofty intention and reaction on the job just doesn't align. Lost potential is frustrating. I've spent over 20 years in education exploring potential, and over 10 years working on my own personal transformation through trainings and certification programs in yoga, meditation, mindfulness, nutrition, and creative arts.
Connection, we can get a lot more done together, right?
We do have the capacity for greater energy, vitality, and clarity needed to respond and lead, to move beyond established practices and systems, create positive relationships with ourselves, our students, and each other, and stand strong to innovate healthy schools. The Noble Teacher Workshops share these scientifically based and time-proven methods to reset and rebalance the whole human being in a simple and effective way for busy lifestyles. Imagine that at the end of the school year, you were thriving, not just surviving, in and outside of the classroom. Imagine greater health, clarity, and energy. Now imagine that with our collective strength, compassion, and intuition, we can co-create a healthier educational system, beginning with a noble vision of ourself. I invite you to share in teachings and cultivate practices that will cut through the illusion that our schools can only be fixed from the outside in. It's an inside job. Let's put our oxygen masks on first, together. In the words of Joseph Campbell, we have not to risk this adventure alone, for the heroes of all time have gone before us.